healing power of nature, tending the garden of our lives. When I think about the healing power of nature, I recall an experience where I was hit by a bus, tore my rotator cuff, and lost my memory temporarily. I was spun into a depression and a fear, for I didn't know what my destiny. There were two relationships that were important to me at the time. One was with my naturopathic doctor, and the other with nature, specifically Crataegus, the hawthorn tree. My doctor resonated with me. She heard my pain and fear of the unknown. And her presence, more than all the treatments I received, touched my soul. My heart, as well as my brain and shoulder, was crying, for it felt broken. In my search for what to do, I went to one of my favorite places, a grove of hawthorn trees. It was springtime, and the flowers were all in bloom. I listened to where my feet wanted to take me. I felt the breeze, heard the call of the hawthorn, smelled the flowers. My eyes were bathed in thousands of delicate blossoms. There was a particular tree that seemed to be calling me. I sat down, looked up at the sky, and it was cloudy. I closed my eyes and began to breathe into the essence of the hawthorn. Something began to move inside, and that vibration grew, and I didn't know if it was me or the hawthorn. A tide of positive flow took over, and I heard a yes to my healing, to the richness of life in my vision. This experience changed my life. Perhaps it saved my life. And even though I continued to take the tincture of hawthorn, the essence of the hawthorn is forever imprinted within my heart. Our life force resonates in relationship with Mother Earth. Mother Earth is alive. She is vibrating with the cosmos, and we are at one with the cosmic web. Our Mother Earth holds all the nutrients that we need. The vis of the earth is a part of our food. The vis of the earth is a part of our sacred healing plants. She is a part of Crataegus, the flower of the heart. She is a part of the California poppy, the golden flower that eases our tensions, relaxes our muscles, and calms our children. The earth loves us, and she wants our love, our participation, and our commitment to health and healing. Mother Earth is our elder. Can you imagine all the stories she could tell? She holds the wisdom and the history of our evolution. Her mother mind is empathic. She sees the whole. She embodies the whole. She is the matrix. And Mother Earth knows what we need to heal. And that is relationship, to be attuned to nature and attuned to ourselves. And as doctors, when we are in resonance with our patients, we we enter into their inner world and they feel cared for and safe. And in that safety, their story unfolds. And that is the beginning of healing. And when we allow ourselves to relax, to let go, to surrender into that place of receptivity, a wisdom emerges. We begin to hear those messages. Our perspective changes, and we catch the vision of health. And then we begin to choose foods that nourish and protect ourselves. We move, run, dance, chant, vibrate, feel alive, and expand. This passion melts our ancient grievances, and we create a new spring, new healthy patterns. And our body anchors these experiences into our life. Nature wakes us up and opens the way to healing. Let us plant seeds. Vision what is to become. Weed and nourish these tender plants. Watch them blossom. Feel the wisdom of the earth, the love in our hearts. Witness the divine seeds unfolding in the springtime of consciousness. Let us together open to a larger vision, sourced by creative ideas and passion, to heal ourselves, our communities, and our planet.